So you might be in a situation where for some reason your specific Bluetooth headphones that you have connected to your device are no longer basically either there's no sound coming through, there's lots and lots of things that can happen within that. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that within your specific Bluetooth headphones that you have connected, your volume on your AirPods or your volume on your specific, device is fully up. So if I'm playing some sort of song, right? If I'm playing songs through Apple Music, just go ahead and make sure that within your specific volume indicator, your volume is all the way as high as it can be. Most of the time, if you're having some sort of issues like this, it is going to be issues with your volume and nothing else. So go ahead and turn your volume all the way up, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you. Now, you may also want to go ahead and just, for the sake of it, just put the volume down and put the volume back up again, and that could very well end up fixing the problem like I mentioned. Now, on top of that, you may just want to make sure your Bluetooth devices are connected and the sound is going through. So go inside of your iPhone settings, just like so. You want to go into Bluetooth, which is right there. And within all the different devices that you have here, if they all say not connected, then that means the Bluetooth devices aren't even connected at all. So just go ahead and make sure that whichever device you have that you actually want to connect to, go ahead and essentially either get into pairing mode on those specific devices or click on those devices and then reconnect via the Bluetooth device. That's another option that you have there too, and most of the time that's probably going to end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you may just want to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth from your device, give it a few seconds, turn it back on, and then repair your specific devices or reconnect your device to your specific iPhone. Most of the time, like I mentioned, that will probably end up fixing it too. Now, if that still doesn't work, you may just want to take a close look at the headphones that you actually have. If your volume on your headphones if there's like a dedicated volume indicator, like if there's a mute switch or if there's like hardware buttons that you can click on, you may just want to try increasing the volume via your actual headphones, and that could very well end up fixing the problem too for a lot of people. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.